Hello everybody. In this video, we're going to see how to set up a collaborate session or a collaborate online meeting. You could set up a collaborate meeting either to conduct a class online or to have office hours or to have a student discussion on collaborate. In order to do that, we'll have to log into Blackboard. So the best way to go into it is bcc.cuni.edu. Open the website on any browser, Firefox, Chrome, or Safari, and then click on faculty or staff or quick links. So if you click on quick links, it automatically shows you the Blackboard. Click on that. You'll have to enter your CUNY first credentials in order to enter into your Blackboard class. So please make sure you enter in your CUNY first credentials, and this gives you a list of all the courses. I'm just going to show you an example of a course of uh, this one. Okay, so I'm just going to select my course, and now I want to create a collaborate session. In order to do that, you have to click on the tools menu here. You click on tools on the side menu. You click on tools and it automatically gives you various options. You have to click on Blackboard Collaborate Ultra. So click on this and then it automatically opens the collaborate tool. Now you have to create a session. Let's say I have a session on March 23rd. Let's say my marketing class is from 9 a.m. to 10:15 a.m. and I would like to have that online class meeting or online office hours during that time when the students are required to come online to ask questions or to participate in the class. So I'm going to create a session. So click on create session and then it says new session. I could give a name. So I could say class meeting 03 or March 23rd, 2020. And then I could set a time. So let's say it automatically also gives you an alternate number. So I could go and copy that number, and this is the link that you have to give in. So let's say first let me set the time up. So I want the meeting to start at 23rd of March at 8 a.m. So I could go and set up the time exactly what time I want. So I could say at 8 a.m. and then it will go on until say the same date till 9:15. So I have to make sure that is posted as 9 and 15, or I could just go and enter 9:15 and a.m. And then when you have set the time, you could just go and copy this link. I normally open a Microsoft Word and type an announcement like this. Say, for example, dear students, this week our online collaborate meeting or your online class or online office hours will be uh, held on April 23rd, 9 a.m. to 10:15 a.m. So I type this and keep it ready. Please click the link below to join. Make sure you're logged into Blackboard. Students should have been logged into Blackboard in order to join the Collaborate. So to give the link, all you have to do is go to the Collaborate session and you see the participant link here. You just have to click on this. It automatically copies the link. All I do is I go back to Microsoft Word and I paste the link here. So when I paste it, automatically the link is available. So when students click this, they will automatically be able to go to the session. Or alternatively, if students are saying, I don't have a computer, I don't have internet, but they could also alternatively call into this number. So you could also click on this and copy the phone number and the code and also give it in the announcement. So I'm going to paste that here also. So alternatively, they can give this number, and this number may not be the same for each discussion or each collaborate session. The link and the numbers may differ, so you just have to pay attention to each collaborate session. So you've created an announcement here and then you've typed it out, and then you could go and create the session now first. So I go down and all I have to do is click down and I just have to create an online discussion, collaborate session, which is not seen here. Let's just say we just have to go all the way down and then click. There you go. You click save And you could also allow the students to come in 15 minutes or no early entry. You could say, no, you have to come exactly at 9 o'clock, or you could say 15 minutes early of time. Sometimes students come and wait there. So you could click on this. When you click save, automatically a session has been created for collaborate on time. This may not be visible to the student as of now. So you have to let the students know on your announcement the forum or the collaborate session will be visible to students only 15 minutes before scheduled time. So you could say that so the students don't keep repeatedly emailing you. I can't see the. Sometimes students go one day before and they want to see if it is there. It will not be there because you have set a certain time, and you could mention that here or just put a note. I always put a note and just convert that in red so the students know exactly what it is. Now we have created a collaborate session, and as soon as on that day you will also have to double click on this and just join the session. That's all. It's not available here, but on that day you will see a small tag here which will say join session, or double click on this and you'll be able to join the session. That's how you set up an online collaborate session. Normally I type this announcement up and I send out an email to everybody. Once again, how to send out an email. I click on course tools, and then if you go all the way down, you'll be able to see send email. If you click on send email, and I normally send an email to all the students, I paste that from the Word document. The one that I typed here, the announcement, I normally send it, click, and I paste it here. Uh, there you go. I paste it here, and then I send it online discussion class meeting on March 23rd. So I type it here, and then I click and I send it. So the students receive an email that they will be having an online discussion, and they have the link, and they also have an alternate call-in number if they are unable to use a computer or some reason they don't have connectivity. So this email will be sent out, and I also uh, post it as a announcement. So I go back and I click on announcements, and I create a new announcement, and I say online discussion on March 23rd. So March 23rd is the online discussion. So I paste it here right from Word. I select all, copy it, and then I go back here and right click, and then I paste it here. So the students also have an announcement here. So as soon as they log into their Blackboard, they will be able to click on this. See, as soon as they click on this, it'll automatically take the students to the collaborate session. There you go. It takes them to the collaborate session. But if they do that before the scheduled time, it will say this session hasn't started yet. Try joining on March 23rd at 8 a.m. So they will not be able to access this collaborate session way ahead of time. So that also gives them the warning. But of course, you can post the announcements here or send it as an email to the students. To be safe, I always do both. I send it as an email to the students and also post it on the discussion forum. This is how you set up an online collaborate meeting or an online class session. Thank you.